Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, in this video, I am reviewing the Account Protector EA, and this one is a little different from most expert advisors you'll find on the MQL5 marketplace because it is focused on account protection and account management rather than generating trading signals. Starting with the marketplace overview, Account Protector is a free MT4 expert advisor developed by Vladimir Mametov. The current version is 3.0 and it was last updated on January 20th, 2023. Now, looking at the description, the primary purpose of this expert advisor is to protect a trading account by monitoring account conditions and taking predefined actions when specific limits are reached. Rather than focusing on trade entries or market analysis, it is designed to help traders manage risk and control account exposure. Meanwhile, as you can see, this is available for free. All right, you can download it for free. Let's just continue. Okay, so by default, when the EA is installed with its standard settings, it functions mainly as an information panel. We can also see that being displayed here in this image. All right, so it displays current account information directly on the chart and remains minimized unless additional protection conditions are configured. Now, moving into the features section, the main functionality revolves around account protection rules. The EA allows trades, or rather traders, to define profit or loss limits based on daily results, weekly results, monthly results, or overall account equity. Now, what makes this useful is that once those limits are reached, the EA can automatically react by closing all open orders in the terminal and, if configured, even closing all charts. So this creates an additional layer of account level risk control that operates independently of individual trade setups. Another interesting feature is the dynamic information panel. As more protection conditions are added, the panel automatically adjusts to display the active constraints, and the size of the display can also be customized through font settings, making it easier to fit different chart layouts. Okay, so further into the description, there's also a test model included. This mode is specifically designed for strategy testing purposes. According to the developer, it continuously opens a single test order. All right, um and that order, we have predefined stop loss and take profit values while running inside the strategy tester. Okay, so importantly, the description clearly states that this functionality only works in testing mode and will never open test trades on a live account. All right, so now let's just quickly transition into the back testing section because this EA is not a traditional trading system. The historical testing process should be viewed differently. Okay, the purpose of testing here is not to evaluate entry quality or trading performance, all right, but rather to verify that the protection mechanisms and account management functions behave as intended under different account scenarios. So let's just head over to the strategy tester. Remember that this EA is quite different. It's not the type, to give signals or, execute entries and all those things, right? This is the type to manage accounts. Okay, so we are just testing it on Euro USD on the H1 period, and we're using the every tick modeling. Okay, so I'm just testing it over the past month based on the information we saw on the marketplace page. just for the purpose of testing, the EA is permitted to open a single trade. All right, in test mode, EA will constantly open just one order with a given stop loss and take profit. All right, and this test mode works only in the tester, and it will never open test orders when working online. So let's just see how that is going to be. All right, I'm just gonna click on this, and then let's see the EA actually in action. So we can see that it's actually executed um one order alongside stop loss and take profit. You can see the trade panel here, right? So just like we saw on the marketplace description, it will constantly open one order constantly. Okay, so that is what it is doing. But in actual, live charts, based on what we saw on the description, it's not going to be opening orders. Okay, the purpose is to manage your account. So we can see the dashboard here showing your current profit, daily profit, weekly profit, monthly profit, the equity, and the balance. All right, and you can also see these buttons here to close profit and to close all. All right, so when reviewing historical test results, the focus will typically be on how the EA responds when profit limits, loss limits, or equity thresholds are reached, and whether the protective actions are triggered correctly. So from an observational standpoint, the strategy tester mode provides a way to validate the functionality of the EA before using it in a live trading environment. Okay, this can be useful for confirming that the configured protection rules match the trader's expectations. All right, and as always, any historical testing should be treated as historical analysis only. Real world results can still vary depending on broker execution, account conditions, platform behavior, and the specific settings selected by the user. All right, I would also recommend spending time testing different protection thresholds yourself so you can fully understand how the EA reacts under various account conditions before relying on it as part of your risk management process. Now, because this is an account management expert advisor, one of the things you should pay close attention to is the settings, right? The inputs of the expert advisor. So the way you want it to manage your account, you should just um modify the settings accordingly. All right, you should modify the settings accordingly. Okay. So overall, account protector EA is less about generating trades and more about safeguarding trading accounts. So if your goal is to add another layer of account level protection and automated risk control to your trading environment, then this EA provides a set of tools specifically designed for that purpose. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.